Hello everyone, this is week 2 update to my investment portfolio which I started on March 3rd. I have my portfolio with Fidelity and here I have 10 of my favorite stocks that have been growing over time and paying a dividend. The overview shows the stocks I own, the quantity, current value, and so forth, and at the time of making this video, my current value is approximately $1,110 and I am down $39 in value, or 3.41%. Even though the market has been down, I plan on investing every week. Now, if we switch over to the dividend view, you can see it shows some of the previous information, but also has some more information about the dividends. Here you can see Costco is paying me 51 cents a year, Duke is paying me $4.03 a year, JP Morgan $2.33, Main Street $5.82, Altria $8.11, Schwab $4.06, Visa 77 cents, VU $1.45, Waste Management $1.63, and ExxonMobil $4.23 for a total of $32.94. This is up from my previous week of around $28. Every week I buy more stocks, the dividends will increase. Thank you for watching and keep investing.